How to verify your Discord account on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how we can verify our Discord account on PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up discord.com and make sure that you're logged in with your Discord account. And if your account is not verified yet, now you have to head over to your user settings. For that, navigate to this section at the bottom left corner. There is this user settings option. Click on it. That's gonna take you to your account settings. So you land on your account piece where you find all of your information regarding your account. Now, next to email, if your account is not verified yet, you will have a verify option. In my case, there is no verify option because my account is already verified. But if your account is not verified, you will have a verify option. All you have to do is click on verify. After that, you will receive a verification code sent in your inbox in your email account on the Gmail. So open up Gmail in your device and then make sure that you're logged in with the same account. Then in the inbox, you will have an email from Discord. There you will see your verification code. All you have to do is copy the code and then come back to Discord and type in the code where it is asked. Once you type in the code, click on verify, and if you have entered the correct code, your account will be verified. And if you want to verify your phone number, also the same process goes with phone number too. Click on verify. You will receive a verification code in your SMS. Type in the code and then verify your account. Once you're done with verification, now your account is verified. So that's the way to verify Discord account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.